Good morning, people. Welcome you all back to my channel. Once again, this is Djmahaneet. How are you all doing today? It's a Sunday morning, 5 a.m. Sunday morning, 5 a.m. here in Goa. We're done with IBW and heading back to Namma Bengaluru today. We had an early start since we have a long way to go, and Arjun wanted to reach home early. So just two of us riding back from here to Bengaluru. The remaining boys from Madikeri are riding to Mangaluru and then to Coorg. Some are in south, some are in north part of Coorg. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates of all my videos. Also follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. And of course follow me on social media. My Instagram. So it's still dark here in North Goa. I keep getting Coorg for some reason. North Goa. We just left from Vagator Anjuna area towards South Panjim, and then we take a left to Ponda and further Hubli, Rani Benur and Davanagere. Hope to have breakfast in Davanagaere and then ride to Bangalore and reach home by mid-afternoon to 3, around that. RIP, it's a graveyard. Nicely done, this Christian graveyard here in Goa. Beautifully kept, well maintained. So stay tuned as we ride back home today. A beautiful morning here in Goa as we head towards Ponda. It's very foggy and still dark. The sun is not up as yet. I think sunrise should happen around 5:45, close to 6 o'clock. You can see the fog under the lights. is a railway crossing here in the forest regions. Wow, check out the bridge, old bridge. There's a nice river which is down. Let's see if we can get a drone shot. Arjun Chasta idira. I was feeling sleepy. I thought I'll take a shot. So they don't get anything else other than the bene masala here. So it's not like you have a menu and you order. You sit and he brings it on. Very simple system. I just had how many I've taken. So about 260, so we should take 3.5-4 hours to reach home. So 3 o'clock I'm guessing should be home. Davanagere is a very relaxed town. People are very chilled, like the old Mysore. Yo. Had some scrumptious dosas in Davanagere and on our way back home to Bangalore. So one thing about today on the highway here is that there are a lot of bikers. 90% are heading back and a few are heading that side. I'm not sure if they're going to Goa or some other place. So a lot of bikers heading home after the IBW from Goa, and it was a fun weekend. 2 days of meeting the entire biking community. Was super fun. It felt like the entire motorbiking community also was at IBW. A lot of people I watch on YouTube were there. I did recognize them. I'm sure they didn't recognize me. I'm still upcoming YouTuber, but I have some advice for you people. As always, don't get influenced by other people. Do whatever you like, but don't try to impress and get impressed by people. I mean, trying to do something better than another person is not the right way to lead a life. Life is not a competition, so get a life. Be happy with whatever you have, whatever you're doing. Stay happy, smile, spread the happiness. That is life. Cheers, people. See you. The windmills of Chitraturga. Beautiful bougainvillea, purple bougainvillea. So we had a quick Elnir break, tender coconut. This is Sira district. I think it's part of Tumkur district. It's Sira town. Got another 120 odd kilometers to reach home. Good, we started early. We won't be in the peak heat. We'll reach home by 3, I think. Yo 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 yo. Yo, coming home back from India Bike Week. That is Arjun Anand on his Africa Twin 2019 model. The last standard model which was launched. After that it became Adventure Sport. Yo 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 yo. Adding a bit. After having that heavy breakfast. More I think to go. Time 1:20 PM. 3:30 I think we should be home. Max 3:30. So boy, what a ride back. One hectic and long ride it was. It's about 5 in the evening, and when I reached home, I think Arjun must have reached around the same time. It was a fun trip to Goa to meet all the biker boys at IBW. So here's what I clocked. Over 1,500 kilometers on the trip up and down, and check out my average, about 60. Was overall a super fun ride.
So that's about it from this IBW series of my ride to Goa. And the bike, of course, beautiful KTM 390 Adventure. It was super fun on the highway. A bit of off-roading, not too much. So you know the drill. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates to all my videos. And do give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. So that's about it for this vlog. I'm going to sign off. Sayonara, adios and goodbye. See you on the next one. Cheers.